Just give me a second, I'll be sharing.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. I request all delegates to mute your mics so that there will be no chaos, there will be no disturbance.
So I really hope everyone is able to see my screen.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Abhay sir, please confirm just once.
Yes. It's visible.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Present.
So just make sure that people are not able to unmute themselves in between. So I'll starting the session.
Yes. Once again, I request all of you to mute your mics.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Please continue.
Friends, I'm Dr. Narinderjeet Kaur, Professor Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. So I'm here to show you the steps for login to my e-class, right? So I will show you all the steps how to log into my e-class. So as you can see my PDF, right? So you participants are enrolled in this faculty development program. It is from 22nd September to 28th September, right? Now, how to join my e-class course? Actually, my course is an LMS. LMS means Learning Management System, which is based on Moodle. So it is an learning management system. So now I will show you the steps to log into my. So as participants, you all participants must have received.
Ma'am, please start your mic. Himanshi ma'am.
Hello, ma'am, please unmute your mic. Excuse me, ma'am, you are not audible.
Abhay sir, please call ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I will call her. Narinderjeet, ma'am, excuse me. Narinderjeet, ma'am. Okay, I will phone her.
The presentation.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, please. Yes. Just 2 minutes.
Please let me know if she. I'll just start it again.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay, so I'll be
Okay,
sharing
madam.
this. Okay.
Hello, dear participants.
Is she audible now?
Now audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm Dr. Narinderjeet Kaur, Professor Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. So I'm here to show you the steps for login to my e-class, right? So I will show you all the steps how to log into my e-class. So as you can see my PDF, right? So you participants are enrolled in this faculty development program, which is from 22nd September to 28th September, right? Now, how to join my e-class course? Actually, my course is an LMS. LMS means Learning Management System, which is based on Moodle. So it is is an learning management system. So now I will show you the steps to log into my. So as participants, you all participants must have received an email from my class like this email, right, on your email list through which you are registered in this group, right? So in email, you will get a link from my class academy and a temporary password is provided to all the participants. So what you have to do is just click on this link which is provided by my class, right? And then you'll be able to log into the my class. So when you click on this link of my class academy, this my class page will open, right? And in this page, you see on the upper right hand side corner, there is a tab login, right? Or there is a sign in tab. So both will work. So if you click on login tab, this page will appear. This page will appear. This is the login page of my class, right? So here in this page, you have to put your email ID through which which you have used for registration in this FDP. So you have to use that email ID here, username column, and then you have to put the temporary password which is provided in your emails. So that temporary password you have to put here in the password column, and then you click on this blue tab of login, right? So when you click login, method is this, and the second method is if you are not able to log in by using your registered email ID and temporary password, the second option is you can also use this Google tab link, right? So for login to my class, so you can click on this Google tab link. It will ask you for your email ID, which you have used for your registration to this FTP. You have to choose that email ID. Then my class academy will send a link on that email ID. Right? And you have to click on that link, and the login process will go. And after you are successfully logged in by clicking on this login link, next this page will appear. This is the My class login page where you can reset your password, because the password which is provided to all the participants is a temporary password. So this is the reset page password. So you have to put the current password there, the same temporary password, the same password here, right? And then in the new password, you have to type a new password. And you remember that for new password, it must at least contain 8 characters. It should have at least 1 digit, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, and some special characters. Some non-alphanumeric characters like star, hash, etc. Right? Once you choose your password, new password, to type that password again here in the new password again column. And please remember that all the time when you are resetting your password, just write it down somewhere on your copy or somewhere so that you may not forget that password, right? And then click on save change. This blue button, blue tab, save change. So when you save changes, so you will be successfully logged into the My class. So this is the My class page after you set your password, right? Now, if you on this page, on the upper left corner of this page, there are 9 dots, right? That is category of courses. So when you click on these 9 dots, category of courses, this new page will appear with drop down will appear with so many options, right? And you have to click on this training, and from these many options you have to only click on training and workshop. So when you click on training and workshop, this My class page will appear with your folder of OFDP 92. where you all participants are enrolled as students, right? And in case if you are not able to see this folder key, just scroll that my class page a little bit. You will be able to see folder or OFDP 92 role of teacher in national education policy. And still, if you are not able to see the folder, see a search course column. You just type on that column OFDP 92 and click on go. So this the My Class Academy will choose that particular folder for you, right? So when you click on that, this particular folder here of OFDP 92, and for some participants, it those participants will directly get enrolled into the OFDP 92 LMS, and for some participants, it may ask for an enrollment key. So if it is asking for an enrollment key, so this is the enrollment key, that is 922228. This is the enrollment key. So you have to type this enrollment key for OFDP 92 column and enroll. Then you have to click on enroll, right? So when you click on enroll me, so this page of My E-Class Academy will appear, and this is the LMS, this is the My E-Class folder where you all participants are enrolled as students. So you are enrolled in this OFDP 92 rule of teacher in national education policy. And here in this page, you will be able to see all the recorded sessions here, all the feedback of all the days, right? Project, assignment, and quiz, etc. for FDP here, and photo ID submission, right? So all these things will appear on, right? So for attending this FDP and for successfully for getting graded certificate, you have to be enrolled in this FDP on My Class, right? And in case of issues or any login problems or any tech issues, so this is the WhatsApp number of my GAD DLC organizing team. So you can drop a message on WhatsApp number 98104 54703. Just drop a message on this number with your query, with your name and OFDP code. So the team members will get back to you as soon as possible for any technical query. So these are the steps for login to My E-Class. Now I will show you, I will give you the demonstration, right, directly on Google browser, that how you can open your My E-Class or log into My E-Class, right? So I am sharing my screen again. Yes. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? So, as I told you, that all the participants must have received a link on the My E-Class Academy with a link and a temporary password. So you have to click on that link, or just copy that link and pick browser, whichever browser you are using, Google, Firefox, or anything. Or you can directly type My E-Class Academy on the Google browser or Firefox. So this is the link of My E-Class Academy. So this is the same link which is provided in your email. So you have to click on this link, right? So this My E-Class page will appear, and here is the login tab. On upper right hand side corner of this page, this is the login tab. So click on this login tab. So this is the login of My E-Class, and you have to put, this is the username column. So put your mail ID as username. So that email ID you have to use, which you have used for registration for this activity, right? So this is the email ID, my email ID. So now I am typing the temporary password which is provided to me for login to my e-class. So just type, copy and paste temporary password from your email ID in this and click on, right? So when you click on the login, see, so after the temp login, so this page will appear for resetting your password, right? So in the current password, type that temporary password again, right? And then set a new password of your choice. It should be of 8 characters with at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one and some non-alphanumeric characters. So I am writing my password here. I am choosing my new password in the new password column, and you have to type the same password again. So I am typing the same password which I have chosen for my E-Class Academy. Now you have to click on Save Changes, right? After Save Changes, this page will appear that password has been changed. You have to click on Continue. So when you click on Continue, right? So see, this page will appear, right? For the courses, right, in which you all participants are enrolled as students, right? So here you will be able to see all the recorded session, but now no recorded session have loaded. So the organizing team will upload in one or 2 days. And all the feedback links will be available here. All the projects, assignments, and quiz will be available here. And photo ID is also available, right? So if you have any query, so you can ask your query or write in the chat box. I'll take those queries also. So these are the steps for login to my e-class. I will show you how to upload your assignments, projects, and how to attempt quiz on my e-class. So I am sharing my screen again. So I will. I just want to log out from this my e-class portal and I will share my screen again. Again, I am going to log in my e-class, right, with my password. So when you successfully log into the my e-class, so now I am showing you a demo course, just a demo, some other course, how to upload your assignment, project, or how to attempt your quiz on FDP 92 my e-class course, right? So the assignment link which will be available on your OFDP 92, right? And but it is not active now. It will get active in 2-3 days as the organizing teams will upload those links, will activate those links. They will tell all the participants that when upload your assignments or projects. So click on the assignment link, right? So if you see page of assignment, there is a template format, sample format or template for assignment. It is a Word document, right? So it will be in some format, right? So you have to click on this link. It's downloaded on your systems, right? And then you have to open that Word document, edit that Word document, put your name, institution, OFDP code, and do the whatever is asked on that document, right? and then save the document either in the Word format or in the PDF format. Right? If you see on this page, when you have not submitted your document, the status will show no attempt and grading status not graded, and some due date is provided to you. So before that due date, you have to submit your assignment, right? And just scroll down this page a little bit. There is a add submission tab. So this is the add submission tab, right? So click on this add submission tab, right? Click on add submission. When you are ready to submit your assignment, you have prepared your assignment, prepared your document, then click on add submission. Just scroll down a little bit. This page will appear, right? So either you can directly drag and drop your file here in this box, right, by simple drag and drop method, or you can click on this file icon. When you click on file icon, click upload a file, click on choose file, and then you choose your file, whatever file, wherever the file is, say your PC, right? And then click on open. So that assignment will get attached here, right? So this is the assignment which I want to upload here. Then click on upload this file. Click on upload this. So it will take just 2 seconds to upload, right? So it is uploading my file. It depends upon the internet connectivity, right? So my internet is slow, I think, today. It is taking some time. So we have to wait for some time. I need to upload again. So click on file, choose upload a file, then choose file, right? Then click your file wherever you have saved, and then click on upload this file. Right. So this file gets uploaded. And then you have to, for final submission, you have to click on save changes. Then click on save, right? And just scroll down a little bit and see the submission status. It is showing that submitted for grade. That means your file is submitted now, right? And here is the file. This is the file link, right? And in case if you want to edit your file or you want to remove your submission, you can do that by clicking on edit submission or remove submission, and you can upload your assignment but before due date, right? So you can do this number of times if you want to remove a submission or you want to edit your assignment. So you can do that by clicking on edit submission or remove. Upload that file again and click on save, right? So these are the steps for assignment submission. Same steps are for the submission of project. So you have to, for project submission, to click on the project link, right? So when you click on the project link, so this page will appear with a sample project or template project, template for the project. Click sample project, right, on this link. It will get downloaded. Open that document, edit that document, write your name and all, do all the project, then save the file in Word format or in PDF, and then you have to click on submission, right? Before the submission, it will show the status no attempt, right? So click on add submission, then click, either you can drag and drop the file as I told you earlier, or click on the file icon, then upload a file, then choose a file, then choose the file wherever you have saved on your in your destination folder, right? So file gets attached, click on upload this. So this is the file which I want to support project. Then final, for the final submission, click on save changes. Then you have to save, right? So now it is showing that submitted for free, right? So this is the file which you have submitted. And in case you want to edit, you can click on the edit submission or remove submission if you want to remove your file. And upload that after doing your right. And now I am going to show you the quiz, that how you have to do your quiz on the to get credit certificates to qualify for this FDP, right? So for attempting of quiz, you have to click the quiz link, which will speak to all the participants on this My E-Class LMS. At the end of the FTP, or the organizing team will let you know that when you have to attempt the quiz. So click on the quiz link. Then, if you are ready to attempt the quiz, then you can click on the attempt quiz now. If you are really ready to attempt the quiz, because this is time bound, to be of 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever the time is it. So once you click on the attempt quiz now, then you have only that limited time to attempt the quiz. So click on the attempt quiz now. When you click on attempt quiz now, the page will appear. This is just a demo quiz which I am showing. So first question will appear. It will be a multiple choice question, right? So just I am randomly just to answer. Then you have click on next page on this tab, blue tab, next page. And if you see on the right hand side of this page, there is a quiz navigation. So this quiz navigation is for tell all the participants that while attempting the quiz, how many questions are there in this quiz and how many questions you have attempted, you have answered, and how many questions you have not answered. So this is the quiz. So click on next page, second question will appear. I'm just randomly choosing the answers, right? Click on next, then third question will appear, right? Then click on next. And as you see on navigation, it is showing that you have attempted 3 questions. And if you hover your mouse on the quiz question, right, it is saying that the answer for that question is saved, right? And if I suppose actually left question unanswered, for example, I am not going to give the answer of question, and I just clicked on the next page, and it will take me to the next question. So I just answer here for the next question, and the last question, after you attempt the last question, it will ask you for finish attempt. You have to click on this finish attempt. Or if you see on this quiz navigation page, it is showing that you have attempted these questions and the 5th question, right? And 4th question, it is saying that not yet answered. So if you click on this 4th question, it will take you back to that question if time allows. So you can attempt that answer, right? For example, I click on this 4th question and then I give the answer of this 4th question. Then click on next page, give the answer of next question. It is already saved, and then click on finish attempt. When you click on finish attempt, it will show all the summary of your questions, that how many questions you have answered, and if you have not answered that question, it will show you that not yet answered for that question. And you can click on return to attempt the quiz, right? It will take you back to the quiz to review your quiz, or you can click on submit all and finish. So when you submit all and finish, it will again ask for final confirmation, then click on all and finish. So it is showing that you have attempted your quiz, right? So these are the steps for attempting your quiz. That how you have to attempt your quiz on My eClass Help. So in case of any query or any questions, you can write in the chat box, right? I'll take your query, or if you want to, directly, you can do that. So I'm waiting for 1-2 minutes. If any query is there, I will show how to submit the photo ID submission, right?
Ma'am, at every session we have to show.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, we have to submit this screenshot of every session.
Sir, I think organizers should answer this question if they have to submit a screenshot of.
Because there is I have submitted my photo IDs and now they are asking for the second submission, that is about the session. So every session or one will be doing that.
For feedback is mandatory for every session, sir. Because session-wise feedback.
Sir, madam is just saying that to upload the photo. I have uploaded my photo ID. Now the second question is about submitting the one that session. So should I submit all the session or this session only?
Organizing team, can you please answer this question? Because from our end, we need the photograph, the session in this only, but
Every feedback form is compulsory to screenshot.
Okay.
Feedback for session-wise feedback.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
if you have any My eClass related questions till now, please let us know. Please write in the chat box.
Dear delegates, please ask your questions.
Or I will just continue with the question and then we'll take.
Yeah. Will do, ma'am. You can continue.
So we can take questions after the sessions. Okay, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay, sir.
So I think no queries right now.
I hope the video is audible, sir.
So I am sharing my
Yeah.
screen.
Yes, ma'am. It's audible, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So I'm logging in once again. Then click on login. So this is the FDP 92 where we are enrolled as participants or as students. Right? So if you scroll on this page, so this is the website. If this page appears, that means you are successfully logged in to OF 92. So if you scroll down, so recorded sessions are not have not yet uploaded. That forms have not been uploaded, but there is a photo ID submission. So if you see here on this link, submit your photo IDs. So you have to click on this link. So when you click on this link, it will appear. To scroll down a little bit, right? So all information is provided here that how to submit your photo ID submission. So you have to download the template. This is the template for submission. Photo ID submission. This is the template, right? So you have to download this template, which is in PPT format, and you have to upload your photos in PPT format, in this format only, and then save that and upload it again, right? have to click on the template format. That template will get downloaded on your system. If you can see on my this screen, right? So it is getting downloaded. So it is downloading. It will take just few seconds. Yes, it gets downloaded. Now click on the open. Right. So I'm sharing my pic again. This is the photo ID submission template. So in this page, if you see, right, so this is the template where you have to paste your passport size photo, and here you have to paste your pic while attending this FDP, either live session of FDP or doing some work on your My E-Class platform. So you have to put a passport size photo like this, right? So you put your passport size photo like this, and one photo, one pic while attending this FDP, right? So this is the template. You have to put your passport size photo here and one pic attending this FDP. And you have to write your name here in this column, right? Here you have to write your name, your institution's name, and your OFDP. So OFDP codes will be provided to all the participants by the auditor. So that OFDP code you have to write. Then save this PPT and then upload that PPT as I told you how to upload assignment, project, etc. Right? So I'll show that also. So once you do the editing in this template, photo ID submission, save this PPT. It should be in the PPT format only in PDF. You have to save and then you have to upload. I'll show you how to upload on that platform. Right? So this is the photo ID submission link, right, on My E-Class. So click on add submission, right, and then click on file, upload file, then choose file. Choose file. You have saved that particular file. Then click on open. Then click on upload this file. Right? Will get uploaded. So that will be the photo ID submission. Right? Similarly, as we have submitted for assignments and project, etc. So the steps are same. It will get uploaded. So it is taking time. My internet issues are there. Upload this file. So the steps are same. Once the file gets uploaded, you have to click on save changes and the file will get submitted. Right? So these are the steps for uploading of assignment, project, and how to add a quiz. And I have also shown you that how to submit your photo ID submission on My E-Class. So if you have any query, you can write in the chat box. I can see the box. Or if any participant is having any issues, they can directly talk. They can put their query. And yes, in case any participant is an old participant of, those participants who have already attended many GAD-TLC workshops or FDPs and they have an access for My E-Class login, so they need not have to reset their password. They can use the old username and password for log My E-Class. So no need to change your password. If you are an old participant, if you are already using my e-class platform, right? And in case if you have got your password, then I'll just show you that how you can do that. So if you have forgot your password, I'm sharing my screen. I just try to log out again and I'll show you. On. Yes. So when you click on login, right? Suppose you just forgot your password. You are not able to remember your password, and just put your name, that is your email ID, and click on this link. Forgotten your username or password. So you have to click on forgotten your username or password. Click on this link, right? So it will ask you search by email address. Just put your email address and click on search. So when you click on search, my e-class academy will send you a link on this email ID. You have to check your email ID for resetting your password. So these are the steps which you can do for login to my e-class. And in case if you still have any queries, I'm again showing you the WhatsApp number on which you can send your queries. The WhatsApp number for ADTLC organizing team. Just drop a message on this number, and the organizing team will get. So thank you so much. So this is all about the issue of money.
Okay, so now we are done with the session. So participants, please try logging into your My eClass account and let us know if you are facing any issue. We'll take queries now.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
There are no queries asked in chat box. If anybody wants to ask already,
So you can also allow participants to unmute themselves and then ask.
yeah, it's allowed. Dear participants, you can unmute yourself. Unmute.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, actually, I want to clear that in that pro forma means that which has been given for us to submit the photographs.
Yes, sir.
There they have given the photograph of attending the let's say our workshop, attending the session.
Yes,
Can we
sir.
give this screenshot of Google Meet itself, having we as a participant in
Yes,
that
yes, sir.
list?
Of course. Of course. Either you're attending the session on Google Meet or you are watching the recordings.
Yes.
Any of them will.
That will do, sir. It is
Okay,
sufficient.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So, dear participants, please try logging into your account on My eClass and let us know if you're facing any issue, and also let us know if you're able to log in. Just write in the chat box if you're able to log in successfully on My eClass. Please type yes in the chat box if you are successfully able to log in into My eClass.
Which password you have used?
Yes, sir.
Password.
सर आपके मेल पर आया होगा, आपके मेल आईडी पर हमने आपको यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड भेजे हैं, तो आपको वहां से चेक करके लॉगिन करना होगा। साथ ही
But
साथ
we
जो
have
ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस पीडीएफ है ये भी आपको मेल किया है।
question.
सॉरी सर।
I have one more question. I have attended all
Yes, sir.
sessions. I have missing to take the screenshot of session. But
You are not audible. Sir, you are not audible. Please repeat your question.
I have take sir of last two sessions.
Sir, basically, Bharat sir, what I understood, am I audible, Bharat sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what I understood that Himanshi ma'am need only for her session. But Gomtesh sir is asking that later on you have to submit for all the session.
No, sir.
But
No, Ashish sir, both are different things. Both of these are two different things. So there is this photo ID submission on my e-class, right? So there's this
yeah,
PPT template where we just need one screenshot of you attending any of the session throughout this FDP.
okay.
And then one
So
of your photograph, your passport size photograph. So this is like a
yeah,
photo ID you're
yeah.
submitting to TLC to the Hambade College.
Yeah, actually, Himanshi ma'am, we got a WhatsApp message that we have to submit all session. That's why the confusion is there,
So yes,
and nothing
that is
else.
by the
We are very
organizing
clear,
team.
ma'am.
Yeah, that is by the
Yeah,
organizing
we are
team.
very clear. What we have said, we understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse
But
me.
since we have got a WhatsApp message that we have to submit for all classes, that's why there was a
Okay. So
confusion, ma'am.
any of those
What
classes, you take a screenshot with your photograph in it, and then you
Yes,
paste it in the PPT template.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir, are you? Did you try to log in yourself in my
Yeah,
class?
ma'am. I have submitted ma'am. I have submitted that
Okay,
EPT.
great, sir.
I don't know. I don't know about that word one. That whether I will be able to do that or not. But PPT I did.
So okay. So that means you're able to access your my class account, right, sir?
Yes, yes, it means it.
Okay. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, sir. So, dear other participants, please try to log in into your accounts on my e-class. We have sent a username and password email to each and every one of you. In case you are having an old account on my e-class, if you have attended any of our programs in the past with GAD that means your account must be there already. So, you need to log in with your old username and password. Rest all the other participants, we have sent you your username and password onto your registered email ID, the other email ID which you entered in the registration form. So check that email ID, check the spam, any other folders. There must be an email with the subject my e-class username and password for OFDP 92. So check that email. There is one instruction PDF as well. Follow the steps, use the username and password as provided in the mail body, and then try logging into my e-class. So there on my e-class from tomorrow onwards, you will be able to access all the recorded sessions, the feedback forms, and if there are any project and assignment, they will be uploaded with time over there.
Right.
And if anyone of you has any questions, they can unmute themselves and then ask, or you can also write in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. I suppose everything is clear now. Thank you, ma'am. That yeah, recorded videos are made available so that one can opt for flexible mode also.
Okay, sir. Ravi sir has raised hand. Sir, can you speak, Ravi sir? Sir, can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself. Ravi sir. Ravi
Ravi,
sir, you need to unmute yourself.
Ravi sir, you are muted, sir. Kindly unmute, sir.
आपने नहीं कर रहा है, तो नाम नहीं
Okay.
कर रहा है।
Account, madam, still, but photograph not submitted there.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am. I have opened that my class account,
Okay.
but in case of feedback form and other things, there will be no data. We cannot able to submit the photographs of session.
Sir, the photographs of the session you don't have to submit on my e-class. You have to submit to the organizing team directly. So they will tell you how you have to submit.
But in case of feedback form, there will be a short notice that you have to submit your passport photo and other things.
Sir, the things which are available on my e-class, those are the only things that you have to submit on my e-class. So any other thing that the organizers ask, you need to submit them to them directly, either via WhatsApp or mail or however they have asked you. Okay, sir.
Okay. Or what about quizzes and other things?
Sir, this is the first day of the FDP, and we are yet not done. So I think before the end of the FDP, you will be able to access anything that is available. So still, we haven't updated any
Thank
quiz
you.
assignment or project because it's the first.
Today it is not there. Today
So
there,
Dr. V.S. Patil has raised his hand. So can you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir.
Actually, I'm unable to submit the feedback because there is a upload option for screenshot of the present session. Even I'm attaching the screenshot of one of the session presently.
Okay, sir. So, sir,
I'm unable
regarding the
to.
screenshot of the session, I'll just talk to the organizers. Okay. And then by the end of the day, the organizer will let you know in the WhatsApp group how you have to take and how you have to submit. Okay, sir.
So no need to worry about the
No
submission
need
of
to,
feedback.
right now, no need to worry. I'll just talk to the organizer and and the organizers will let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
By the end of the day,
Please
they will
send the
post in the
feedback
WhatsApp
links
group.
by the evening, ma'am. Once again.
Yeah, you will get the feedback links later on.
We'll
Yeah.
do
Thank
it.
you. Thank you.
Yeah. Feedback is different. That is session-wise feedback we are collecting, the organizing team. And what is required there in the my classes, throughout all sessions, only one screenshot is required and one
Uh,
photo edit.
Abhay sir, I will talk to you regarding the session's screenshot and we'll discuss after this.
Yes. Okay.
And then you can post in the WhatsApp what needs to
Yeah.
be done so that
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
have no confusion. Okay, sir?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are here for the questions regarding my e-class. So my e-class is an LMS portal where you will be able to access all the recordings, assignments, project, quiz, and any other self-study material. So we have created all of your accounts and a username and password email has been sent to you. So the email has been sent to your registered email ID, the ID which you entered while filling the registration form. So you need to check that there's one instruction PDF as well. So with the help of that, just log in onto your My eClass account so that tomorrow onwards you will be able to access all the material. So Bharat sir wants to ask something. Yes, sir, please speak. Yes, sir. So can't hear you. You need
Hello?
to speak a little bit louder.
Yeah. I, I have checked the mail,
Okay, sir.
and this screen is open. Current password, new password.
Please don't repeat the password on screen, sir. Yeah, just use that password and your username is your registered email
What is the
ID.
current password?
So it is written in the mail.
Password is not in the mail.
So we have mentioned in that particular email. Okay, so sir, I'm sharing a WhatsApp number on screen.
Password is not there.
Sir, listen, sir. I'm sharing a WhatsApp number in the chat box. Okay, sir. So message over there. So after this session, I will take your query over there. So please don't share the password on screen. Somebody is presenting their screen, please. Okay, so Bharat sir, I'm posting a WhatsApp number in the chat. In case of any problem, you can message us. If your issue is still not resolved, just WhatsApp. Just give a WhatsApp message at this number I've added in the chat. Srishti Gangale is raising her hand. Please, ma'am, speak.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. My question is that the session is over for today? We just need to access our login ID through the e-classroom, or we have to be with this meeting for till 5 o'clock?
So I think Abhesa will let you know.
No, ma'am. Today there are no assignments and projects. So after the end of the session, we'll stop for today, and then
Okay.
we'll meet tomorrow at 10:30.
Dhaneshwar sir, please stop sharing. So please stop sharing.
Sunil, is there any question?